At the Gun Show with Brad. What are you up to?
Well, I couldn't figure it out, so I just kind of tore it apart.
Oh my.
You know, I mean, who wants a blade that's like that? You know? So if we put it back together, it might look like that. And then we go right on through like this, okay? Then when I open it, I take a hold of that, go out here, move the knife blade around, then come back around like that, and put it together like that.
Wow.
Okay, and now I have a good solid knife. Seen a lot of knives, but I never seen one like that. Okay, so we pull it apart, fold it over, fold it back this way, and tuck the blade back into the handle. Now that is probably somebody that did 100 years in prison, and that's what he came up with.
That is ingenious.
This is Brad Buckner, sharpensbest.com. We'll see you later.